This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Need new tools or upgrade? Think Value Testers. Link in description below. How you doing, guys? It is March 25th, 2020. Day 4 in lockdown. More like day 14 or something like that, and self-quarantined. Yesterday, which was the 24th, my state, Massachusetts, did do a, shut all the businesses down. All the malls are shut down. Non-essential businesses have been shut down. Now, residential plumbers and stuff like that is not considered stuff that they'll shut down. So, theoretically, I am still open for business, but people have been calling me, and I've been telling them I'm not working. Because of the corona virus, the wound, or whatever you want to call it, the bat flu. My state's not as bad as like New York City. They're really bad. New York, Washington, they got hit really hard. But all over the country, they basically have been shutting down a lot of stuff, like supermarkets and Lowe's and Home Depot. All that stuff still open, banks and gas stations, but I really have not been working. I have gone out on some jobs. It depends on the situation. Some people have called me for no heat, and good customer of mine, and I told them, well, just leave the cellar door open, and they told me they weren't sick. I went dove inside there and took care of the issue. I do have some N95 masks. I got about 9 of them now. So I have been hunting them down here and there, and I have quite a few. I do have like rubbing alcohol and hand sanitizer, but the problem with putting a mask on, that stuff can get into your eyes. It can get in on. Say it gets on your clothes, right? And you got a mask on. Now you come home, you take the mask off, and now it's on your clothes, and you go and touch your clothes, or you're laying down on a couch or something. And I mean, that's how people get it. I'm usually pretty good with. I usually don't get the flu. I mean, I might have had the flu once or twice in my whole lifetime, so I'm pretty good with that. I mean, I really don't really catch a cold too often. Sometimes I'll get a runny nose or something like that, post nasal drip, but that's nothing. No fever. I've been checking. I don't have no fever. I've been good, so I don't think there's any issues with me. But I've been just basically staying home, doing what I have to. Going out once in a while. Been kind of just trying to take my vitamins and eat healthy, eat salads and stuff like that to try to keep my head above water. So yeah, so they did lock down the state, non-essential, like in Boston, all the construction jobs, everything shut down. The mall shut down. So, there's really no place to go. Movies and restaurants. I guess the restaurants are still open for takeout, but I don't know how long that's going to last. But now Trump's talking about, in a couple of weeks, starting the country back up again. I don't know how that's going to work. It's up to the governors. I'm pretty sure it's up to the governors if they want to, set the country back up online. It's going to depend on the governor. I know the guy from California said he doesn't want it. It's not going to be ready. So it's quite the shit show. I don't know what's going to happen. This is kind of definitely different than what's happened before in a lot of areas. I really feel sorry for the people in Italy, because if you look at the stats, the amount of people that are infected and the amount of people that have died, they're really off the charts. I don't think they have enough respirators. Older crowd over there in Italy, and a lot of them poor people are dying. Really feel bad for them. You half the ones you see over there in the news, they don't have respirators on, or they're just really bad. I think like yesterday was 750 died on one day. It was really high. Really bad. But anyway, yeah, so my job's kind of up in the air. If somebody calls me, a good customer of mine, and they got no heat, I might go in there. But if they call me and they want me to, fix their toilet or something inside the house, I'm telling them I'm not going in. So I kind of, using my judgment on it. So as far as the work videos go, Might be a while till I get more work videos coming in. I have a couple already in the chooch that I have to edit and stuff, but I'll work on doing other things. I got a bunch of projects around the yard. I'm gonna probably start up on them. Weather's getting nice, and maybe I'll start doing stuff like that until this all blows over. So I'm just asking you guys to bear with me. Um, I'm not the only guy that's kind of like keeping a low Q and not working. The Corona Rona is what I call it. The Corona Rona. Pretty bad. You could go to the supermarket, pick up some food, and somebody breathes on you, or you walk through the air. I guess it stays in the air for like 3 hours or something. Somebody walks by and coughs, and the stuff's in the air for like 3 hours. They're gone, long gone. You're walking by to get some bread or something in the market, and then you get it. I went to Walmart the other day, and they had toilet paper there. So I grabbed a couple of packets. Oh no, you only can grab only one packet per person. So I counted. I think I got like 70 rolls. So I got enough for a while. So I should be good. I'm not going to run out of toilet paper or paper towels. I got enough of them. But a buddy of mine told me that ahead of time. He was a prepper. I went and bought a bunch of stuff. I said that on my last video. Yeah. So this is going to be just a little update. And a lot of people ask me if I'm a Democrat or a Republican. I'm either one. I'm an independent. I'm a registered independent, so I could vote either way. I mean, I don't consider myself a Republican or a Democrat because I think they're all a bunch of retards. I wish we could just get rid of them all and start all over again, but we can't. So it's just how it is. But anyway, I gotta try to be more politically correct, but sometimes I find myself having a hard time with it. There's Miss Molly, my buddy. Yeah, your daddy's buddy. Oh yeah, your daddy's buddy. It's my little dog. But anyway, yeah. So I got quite a few N95 masks now. I got like 9 of them. That should last me a while. Because this is, once this thing all blows over, we're gonna have to still keep the social distancing, and we're still gonna have to do things in a safe way. Because things aren't gonna just change like that. Hopefully they come up with some kind of cure for this. Because I hate to see people dying. Crazy. But I just wanted to do a quick little update as far as what's going on with me in Massachusetts. I am keeping a low profile. I'm trying not to go anywhere unless I have to. And work is, like I said, I'm only working if I have to. I don't really want to get sick. If I caught it, I'd probably be fine, but who knows? I mean, you don't want to take a chance and then end up being 6 foot under, pushing up daisies here. But anyway, guys, just a quick little day 4 in lockdown, self-lockdown. I'm locking myself down. I don't have to be locked down. I could go to work. I could be out there, doing what I got to do. Molly's over there ripping up my stuff. I don't have to be in lockdown. I'm, a plumber. I'm an essential worker, they call it. I could be out there going into houses and doing work, but I'd rather not. I mean, I'm trying to work a little smarter here. I'm going to be 56 this year. I'm starting to get up there in age. I'm not no 20-year-old anymore. Might look it, but... But anyway, guys, just a quick little one. So, bear with me. I'm going to be doing videos on whatever. I might even, take Molly down to the beach one day and do some videos of the beach. And I got a lot of nice areas around here. I might start doing day trips, get out of the house. I'm going to be working on Old Krusty. I got a bunch of work to do on her. I'll do that. I got some work on the John Deere 318s. I got a bunch of stuff to do on them. Weather's getting good, so I could probably do that. I'll try to keep one video a day coming, for sure. All right, have a good day. All right, you going to say bye to the people, Molly? You going to say bye? You're going to say bye to the people? All right, guys, have a good day and more videos to come.